Affiliate marketing is a pivotal component of today's digital marketing landscape, allowing brands to expand their reach through third-party advocates. It operates on a performance-based model where affiliates earn commissions for promoting a company's products or services. The effectiveness of affiliate marketing lies in its ability to leverage the influence of individuals or entities who have a strong connection with their followers, making it a cost-effective way for businesses to target relevant audiences. As digital platforms continue to evolve, affiliate marketing grows in significance, helping to drive sales and enhance brand visibility in an increasingly competitive online world. Understanding your audience is crucial in affiliate marketing as it directly influences the relevance of the products you promote. By analyzing the demographics, interests, and buying behavior of your audience, you can personalize your marketing efforts, ensuring the products you endorse resonate well with your followers. This deep connection not only enhances trust, but also increases the likelihood of purchases. Employ tools like surveys, social media analytics, and interaction data to glean insights into your audience's preferences and needs. This strategic approach allows you to tailor your content and promotions, maximizing engagement and conversions. Selecting the right affiliate programs is foundational to successful affiliate marketing. Start by exploring platforms that aggregate diverse affiliate opportunities and focus on those aligning with your audience's interests. Consideration of commission rates is crucial. Higher rates can offer more revenue, but relevance and quality should direct your choices. Evaluate the reputation of the companies offering these programs, as partnering with reputable firms enhances trust among your followers. Lastly, ensure product relevancy to your content and audience, as promoting unrelated products can detract from your credibility and reduce conversion rates. Assessing product quality is paramount in maintaining credibility and building trust with your audience in affiliate marketing. Start by personally testing the products or seeking first-hand user reviews to ensure they meet high standards. Look for evidence of customer satisfaction and product effectiveness, which are good indicators of quality. Promoting superior products not only enhances your reputation, but also increases the likelihood of repeated purchases, fostering a loyal audience. Remember, your advocacy for a product is a testament to its worth, and your honesty will solidify your standing as a trusted advisor in your niche. Leveraging analytical tools is crucial in selecting products that perform well in affiliate marketing. Utilize analytics to track key performance indicators such as conversion rates and user engagement levels. Conversion metrics help identify which products are effectively persuading visitors to make a purchase, while engagement metrics can shed light on how interactive users are with related content. This data-driven approach allows you to refine your promotions, focusing on high-performing products that resonate well with your audience. By understanding these trends, you can optimize your marketing strategy for better profitability and customer satisfaction. In affiliate marketing, adhering to legal and ethical standards is not just optional, it's essential. This includes complying with regulations such as the FTC's guidelines in the United States, which mandate clear disclosures when promoting products for compensation. Beyond legal compliance, ethical practices involve transparency with your audience. This means being upfront about your affiliate relationships and the nature of your endorsements. Maintaining this level of honesty not only fulfills legal requirements, but also builds and sustains trust with your audience, ensuring long-term engagement and loyalty. To efficiently integrate affiliate marketing into your content, it's crucial to maintain a balance that respects and enhances the user experience. Seamlessly weave product promotions into your content by ensuring they add value and are contextually relevant. Use compelling narratives to naturally introduce products, aligning them with the interests and needs of your audience. By doing this, you keep the content engaging and avoid overt sales pitches, which can detract from the authenticity of your message. The goal is to make promotional content feel like a natural part of your offerings, which encourages more genuine interaction and better conversion rates.